Hi guys, it's been a super exciting year for us, right? We've done the Cars of Malaysia Award. We've launched our Evo Club. Um, we drove around Malaysia. We did the Enduro, right, all the way to Hua Hin and back. And then we did a road show with Tumi. We invited our readers as well. So we've done a lot of interesting things this year, and our proposition remains the same, right? We want to empower new car buyers, so we review cars with absolute non-biasness, um, or absolute transparency, should I say. And then for used car or recon car buyers, we provide a platform where you guys can bring your cars over to our clubhouse, which is at Warren's Auto House Service, where we provide you with a full round check and then give you an estimated quotation on what it costs for you to return it to a good condition. That is always the concern that anyone who buys a used car always have, right? The car may be 50k, but how much more money do I need to spend? To change the brake fluids, the steering fluids, to change some tie rods, the long shaft, disc brakes and things like that. We give it a full round check, and then Burns will give you a quotation, but you can go elsewhere and do it if you want to. But if you trust us, if you trust the professionalism with Burns, which you could look at the reviews, everybody loved the service that was provided at super reasonable prices. Okay, and these are all the things that we do that we hope you guys can see, and then of course, thank you so much for following my channel, Con's channel, and Bing's channel. And now we have a new member, Fadil Isa. His channel is called Car Doc, CARDOCK. So you can follow his channel as well. And what's interesting is that we will be conducting a series of car safety workshop. It's a pilot program that we really want to do this to share some of the things that we learn. I mean, we're privileged enough that we always attend events or track days from Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, Audi and the likes, or safety programs from Volvo and things like that. So we thought there's a lot of things that we can share with you guys. So we decided to do this car safety workshop. Things that you might not have really taken notice, and things that we think we might be able to share some of it with you. What is camber, what's tow, what's caster, uh, uh, child seats. Not about just the installation part, but things that we learn throughout our exposure. So we would just want to share this. So we're gonna hold our first session this Saturday at our clubhouse. We're in Auto House Service, and if it is full, um, don't worry. There will be other uh, sessions that we will conduct. It is free because we always want to do something out of heart. So yeah, hope you guys can participate, and we really appreciate if you guys can subscribe to our channel. If you do not want the email updates, it's perfectly fine. Just don't tick the bell, right? I understand you tick the bell and then you get all the emails flying in, but if you appreciate what we're doing, just subscribe as a form of encouragement, right? And then you can follow us on Instagram. We will slowly or beginning to share behind the scenes of what we do, on some of the things when we go up, all the behind the scenes and stuff. That those updates will all be on our Instagram, and then for Facebook will be our main communication or news chat. We do news on Facebook, so we don't do news on in our magazine. In our magazine will be all the featured articles, stuff like that. So yeah, this is our platform, right? We have a beautiful e-magazine, and then we have individual YouTube channels where we review cars, so you have different perspectives, because we don't none of us here actually dictates what each other does. In fact, I do not know what Bing is doing now. I do not know what Con is doing now. But we see each other's work when we all publish. It's a fun way of working together. It's fantastic. No one knows what each other is doing, but all of us know what each of us should be doing. Yeah. So thank you so much for supporting us. And yeah, subscribe to us, follow us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much, and do attend the car safety workshop. Cheers. There will be more stuffs coming up. We will be organizing more driving activities with you guys. We will be thinking more stuffs to do. Maybe go for a go-kart day, the stuffs like that. We're trying to do more of that. And that is, of course, what Evo Club does. Hope you guys can join the club. Cheers.